Here is one of those legs for the desk that I'm working, and there's quite a number of mortises that I've drilled, and then they need to be squared off, so I'm using a 1/4 inch mortising tool to square off the ends, and I should be able to pretty much do this without pounding. We'll see if I can get down okay. And these are knife cuts and marking gauge cuts that surround these mortises, so I can stick the chisels right into that groove, into that knife groove. Then I've got a smaller, or just a regular 1/4 inch chisel here to clean out the waste. Looks like I need to just go down further with this one. There, that looks good. All right, I'm just doing the top end right now in this direction, and then I'll turn it around and work the other end of the mortise. So these are 5/8 inch deep. There'll be a side piece with mortises that make the side of the desk. This may now be out of the vision here. No, it's still in the picture. So I can just then work the other end. This is cherry. There, that went down nicely. Now, sometimes when that gets sticky, I just take a little paraffin, scrape the side of the mortising chisel. Wow, that made it easy. Finding the knife cut there. All right, so that's kind of the way. I've got a lot of these to do. There are 8 legs, so there are a lot of mortises, and not just in one face, but almost in every face there's another stretcher going through it or something. So it's it'll take a few hours.